Go.
No.
Whee!
I love the snow.
Tyler, your turn.
Come dig me out. Ty, come dig me out.
Oh, help Daddy. Hurry, help him. Go get him. Hurry. Help Daddy. I know. That's okay. You can do it. You can do it. Go get Daddy. Oh, Daddy's going to get you.
No. Daddy.
And where's Maddie? She's like me. She's not impressed with snow. Sorry. You don't like it, do you? Sorry.
No, put your gloves back on.
Sorry, Maddie. You don't like it, do you? Whee! Ours is the cleanest driveway in the subdivision, besides Lori next to us.
Yeah?
We can make snow angels.
Okay.
Good job, Tyler.
Fuck.
It's okay, it's just snow. You're okay, it's just snow. Lay down. It's just water, Tyler. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Turkey, your hand. Look, snow angel.
Look at that angel, buddy. Yay.
Our daughter is not impressed.
No, she doesn't like.
What?
She's like mommy. Let's look over.
Are you video?
Yeah,
No.
she's
You're a Canadian.
Daddy, whoever falls down first wins.
Oh, you won.
We fell down.
Oh, that's going to be cold later.
I
You
know.
have to be very careful when you get up on the snow.